This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
America 250 builds up into the July. Check it out.
Stations and cable systems are testing equipment that this had been an actual emergency. Important information would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Construction projects are
equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, important information would have followed the alert tones.